Hi viewers, and welcome to my channel where you can always get weekly updates on the best tips and resources to improve and live a healthy life. In today's video, we will be taking a look at one of the most important organs in our body, the liver. The liver controls the majority of chemical levels in the blood and excretes bile. This aids in the removal of waste materials from the liver. The liver filters all of the blood that leaves the stomach and intestines. The liver processes blood, breaking down, balancing, and creating nutrients, as well as metabolizing medications into forms that are easier to use or harmless for the rest of the body. The liver is responsible for more than 500 important activities. The following are some of the more well-known functions. Production of specific proteins for blood plasma. Conversion of surplus glucose into glycogen for storage, as well as making glucose as needed cholesterol and specific proteins that are produced to aid in the transport of fats throughout the body. Among the liver's many amazing responsibilities are the production of bile, which aids in the removal of waste and the breakdown of fats in the small intestine during digestion, as well as the regulation of blood levels of amino acids, which are the building blocks of proteins, and the removal of drugs and other poisonous substances. However, before we continue, it will be wonderful if our great viewers can hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification button to encourage us keep making such great healthy living tips that can benefit our health immensely. Now let's take a look at the 8 best superfoods to naturally detox and cleanse your liver. Number 1 is beetroot. Beets also include vitamin C and a good amount of fiber, which are both natural digestive cleaners. Beets also aid to increase oxygen levels by purifying the blood, and they can break down toxic wastes to help them be expelled more quickly. They help to increase bile flow and enzymatic activity. Number 2 is turmeric. Turmeric has been utilized in India for ages for medicinal purposes in addition to its use as a spice and color. Turmeric's main element, curcumin, has a wide range of biological activities. This spice aids in the removal of toxins and includes antioxidants that aid in the healing of liver cells. It also aids the liver in metal detoxification while increasing bile production. The third is tea. Tea is usually thought to be good for your health, but studies have revealed that it may also be good for your liver. Drinking 5 to 10 cups of green tea per day was linked to improved blood markers of liver health, according to a Japanese study. This could be due to catechin, a chemical that aids liver function. This plant antioxidant is abundant in green tea. Green tea extract, on the other hand, should be avoided because it can have a detrimental effect. The fourth is cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and kale are just a few examples. These veggies are high in glutathione, which activates the liver's toxin-clearing enzymes. Consumption of cruciferous vegetables increases glucosinolate synthesis in the body, which aids in the removal of carcinogens and other pollutants. The fifth is citrus. Citrus fruits stimulate the liver and aid the conversion of harmful chemicals into substances that may be absorbed by water. While also supplying a significant amount of vitamin C, grapefruit is very healthy since it includes 2 major antioxidants, naringin and naringenin. By lowering inflammation and protecting liver cells, they may help protect the liver from harm. Number 6 is olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat, despite the fact that it is a fat. Cold-pressed organic oils like olive, hemp, and flaxseed are beneficial to the liver because they provide the body with a liquid basis that can absorb toxic pollutants. It's also been demonstrated to lower the fat levels in the liver. The seventh is garlic. Garlic is high in sulfur, which activates liver enzymes that aid in the removal of toxins. Garlic also has a lot of selenium. Selenium is an important vitamin that has been demonstrated to help our liver's natural antioxidant enzyme levels. Supplementing with selenium provides our livers with even more weapons in the fight against oxidative stress damage. Well viewers, I hope you've been enjoying today's video content thus far. However, it would be wonderful if our amazing viewers could like, subscribe and hit the notification button to encourage us to keep making more amazing life-transforming contents that suit your need. Let's go on to the number 8. And in number 8, we have walnuts. Walnuts are high in glutathione, omega-3 fatty acids, and the amino acid arginine, all of which help proper liver cleansing functions, particularly when it comes to ammonia detoxification. The liver aids in the detoxification of the blood, allowing dangerous compounds to be eliminated, and this is where the appropriate superfoods can help. Alcohol, tobacco, cosmetic products, and processed and fried foods are the most common sources of these dangerous compounds, especially when ingested in significant numbers. Other costly substances, such as pollution, prescribed medicines, infections, and natural metabolic byproducts, are more difficult to avoid. To execute its functions, the liver requires a substantial amount of micronutrients, and many of these micronutrients can be found in everyday meals. You can naturally cleanse and protect this hard-working organ by including a variety of superfoods in your diet. Also, if you want to improve your health to complement your weight loss program and you are looking for a quick head start to boost your journey, you can take a look at our other videos and watch more life-changing contents that will transform your body and lifestyle. Stay tuned and keep following our great contents as we go on to provide you with tons of information to suit your needs. Thank you for watching.